Welcome to Believe Industry. This is our double working station welder, a high-efficiency welding system that joins end connector clips to box beams and step beams using 4 sets of torches and 2 stations with 0 downtime. Let's see it in action. The operator starts at station of first, placing the end connector clips into the fixture jig. Each clip sits in its own precision nest, locked in position. Then the box beam is laid in a line perfectly against the clips at all 4 contact points. The assembly is now ready to move into welding position. The rotary clamp engages, gripping the beam and clips firmly together. The entire assembly rotates smoothly into the welding position, bringing every clip to beam joint into perfect alignment with the torch heads. Once locked, you can see all 4 weld points are presented uniformly, no gaps, no misalignment. The machine is ready to weld. Now the 4 welding torches come down together, all 4 beam to clip joints welded simultaneously in a single cycle. Watch the arc strike at each point. The torches move in perfect sync, laying down a uniform weld bead at every joint. Close up, you can see the penetration. Here's what makes the double working station design so powerful. While Station A is welding, 4 torches firing, the operator is already loading clips and a fresh beam in Station B. The machine doesn't wait. It doesn't pause. The rotary clamp at Station B rotates the assembly into position while Station A is still completing its weld cycle. If this video was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to Believe Industry for more machine demos and welding solutions. Contact us for your custom box beam welding project. We're ready to help. See you in the next video.